We're in today with the Matrox Millennium G550. This is a low-profile PCI video card with 32 megabytes of VRAM, and that's it. I have no more information. I'm using the computer froze. Oh, it's so stupid. Wait. If I start GPU Z, it looks like this. I have nothing, you know, but it shows you the video card in the device manager and in the properties of the display. If I go here on graphics, it shows me Matrox G550, Matrox Electronics. As I said, it's the only thing it's important in this situation to jump in a couple of games and see how the GPU is working. Okay, so this is by far the best and the most compatible game ever. It shows me MSI Afterburner. The aspect ratio is okay. You know, it's designed, it's apparently the game was compatible with the Matrox video card, but it doesn't use 32 megabytes of VRAM, you know, it's using 1 megabyte of VRAM, and every time I see this, I think it feels like software or something. I don't know why there is 32 megabytes of VRAM in a video card like this, but I think 4 megabytes or 8 megabytes of it will have been enough for this type of video card, but they decided to put 32 megabytes, and I think it was an overkill, even though it doesn't have the features, you know, for gaming and stuff like that, because the video card itself is dual monitor. It's using a splitter, and you are using them for display adapter, and that's it. You can actually see in Diable it's working really nice. Imagine this game running at I think the maximum resolution is 1280 or something for this video card, and that's it. It doesn't work any higher. For me, it's a time machine, so I go back in time with this video card. Yeah, it's working. Diablo, it's working really nice, and I have no problem here. You can actually see that it's working. The CPU is doing okay. I have no stress there. 500 megabytes of system RAM. It's nice. If I do want to go OG, I need to go in Fallout 2, because this is the proper game. Seriously, look at this. I mean, I can't go wrong with this big game, because I really miss this type of entertainment. The crackling. That's from the computer. I don't know which one is the CPU, the video card. I don't know what's going on. It feels like a broken radio. So if I put master audio, volume, music. So the music, let's put it like this. Only with this video card I heard it, you know. Before it was okay. I had no problems with other video cards. Maybe in this case the drivers or something's got a problem. But definitely this is a game that I need to play on a video card like this. You know, if it's starting every single time, I will play it. You know, majority of the time when I have DirectX games that are compatible with the video card, I usually go with those games because they're more for the video card. But because this video card doesn't work, I usually play games like this because this is what I had. Yeah, it's working really nice. I have no how shall I say, MSI Afterburner. Sometimes it's working with the 1024, sometimes it's not working. When I put it on 1024, it's working MSI Afterburner, but in some cases it doesn't start, and I have to go in the config and change the 800 by 600. And I remember last time it was this type of problem. Nox, it's another game that is similar with Diablo. Apparently it's working with this video card and this system. In this case, the game is running really nice with old hardware like this Matrox. It's using 140 watts nearly, and same thing, you know, no how shall I say, VRAM utilization, because it's not important here. But it's very fun to actually find games like this, because if you do manage to find them and you get to like them, you're the only one who's the winner, you understand? Because it doesn't require new stuff. I think this game is very good because there was a lot of people back in the days that were playing this because of the limited how should I say, the limited money to invest in hardware. You know, this game was actually good for low end or old hardware. So I will say, yeah, it's very interesting to see this game running like this. This is 800 by 600. It's got medium details, you know, trying to be, you know, upper class with this video card. We're going places, you know, in games now with this Millennium G550. Okay, is very hard to pronounce the name. Matrox Millennium G550, you know, low profile PCI. It's very interesting to say the name, and look at this, because it's funky, you know. So yeah, when we're saying games like this, I'm mesmerized. But I got 151 watt consumption. It's using the video card, even though I've got 1 megabyte of VRAM utilization. Maybe that's an error or something, you know, that doesn't show the FPS, but it's working. I got a game that is actually working. I'm happy, you know. The only thing I don't like is that this game is using only 1 core on the CPU. Look at it, 100% on the first core with 61 degrees. I mean, it's doing okay, you know, but it would be ideal to have a quad-core CPU like this. The normal resolution will be like this. Imagine it on a 4x3 monitor. It looks so funky on 4x3. I actually have to look on the top monitor in order to see this. Yeah, I look at this aspect ratio and it reminds me of that monitor that I have. Now, because the Age of Empires and games like strategic RTS games doesn't work really nice with this video card, this one is working, Stronghold. So I really like this game. I used to play it a long time ago, and it was one of those games that actually worked on this, and I like it, seriously. Yeah, it's working really nice. I like this game, this type of game, because they are the right games in this situation. Let's see what we get here with this system. 30% load on the CPU. It's actually fantastic. Don't have any problems here. Crusader is one of those games that works on 800 by 600 with normal details. Can actually see that it's doing fantastic. If you want to utilize computers and GPUs like this, this is what you need. Tom Clancy with Rainbow Six apparently here is doing fantastic work with this video card. This is exactly what you need from a video card like this. Games that are working with it. You know, I'm trying to put more than half of the brightness on, but it's still dark as f. Where are the enemies? You must be scared me. I like this idea of having 34 FPS with an old video card like this. The MS is not that right, you know. It doesn't look fantastic, and if you want to play new games, I understand you, but if you want to play older titles like this is gonna be a treat for you. You can actually see that the CPU is working 30%, you know, with this it's working 30% on this occasion, but all of the cores are being utilized. 61 degrees on the CPU, but the overall performance is great, you know. So even if I got this Millennium video card inside, I still get to play some older titles without breaking a sweat. But 100% sure I will put this game on my list. Heroes of Might and Magic 3. I remember it, and I was like, oh man, this I'm 100% sure this game is gonna run on this video card, and apparently it is working. So yes, I'd want a game like this. Heroes of Might and Magic doesn't show me MS Afterburner, but I'm 100% sure I can play this game with this video card. I mean, it's made for this type of games, and if I'm interested on actually adding more games, it needs to be similar with Heroes of Might and Magic. You understand? There is a big need for games like this, you know, if you want to play with older hardware like this. This is exactly what I need. This is exactly what my soul needs. Fantastic. It just puts me back in my my old days with old computers and stuff, you know. There's so many computers and old hardware that runs this type of games that you don't need fancy video cards and stuff like that. And I think the future is gonna be like this. Duke Nukem 3D, apparently this is the type of game that you need to play on a video card like this. If I don't have MS Afterburner, at least I can put a 4x3 here, because I had the original one. I mean, which one would you prefer? Like this or like this? I mean, come on, this is more OG, this is more retro. I like it, seriously. I love this this idea. Right? Do you know the secret? It's on the wall here. Okay, so now playing Attack of the Bleached Blonde Biker Bimbos. I didn't know back in the days what it means, but now I know. XXX. Okay, so yeah, definitely this type of game, apparently it will be very, very stupid to make. I think this type of game nowadays age well, you know. Duke Nukem 3D, to play it today, it will be fantastic, you know. So this is the only opportunity you have today, is to play it with an old hardware like this. So Matrox Millennium G550, apparently it's at least gave me something really cool, you know. The most important action here is the practice of retro games. I think if you manage to put a video card like this in a PC and you make it work, it's not the video card itself, it's not the game itself, it's the fact that you managed to put it together. The amount of troubles I went to actually make it work. For instance, if I connect this video card straight to a monitor, it's working. If I connect it to an old monitor, it's working. But the fact that I had to connect this video card to a capture card, multiple capture cards that didn't work, adapters, cables and stuff like that. First time I didn't have any signal. At one point I had signal, but when I entered games, it didn't show me the resolution. It was not compatible. Find something that is compatible with those resolution. Then I had problems to show me purple and colors and all kinds of errors until I managed to enter here and actually play the games with this video card. But at the same time, I learned about this video card. It's like the whole journey itself, it was worth it comparing it to this video card itself, because the video card itself is not expensive. I'm 100% sure you can find it with $1 a box of them, you know. It's more expensive, the material from this video card, to recover gold. It has more value in that department, you know, instead of actually restoring it and trying to put it together to play some games. But if you have one, if you have the opportunity to put your hands on this, just go for the journey and try to restore it and see how it feels, if it makes any sense. I can say nothing bad about it, because it will be a compliment for this video card. Everything, even if I say bad stuff, it will still be a compliment. If you have any suggestion for this video card, please leave a comment, and I will see you very soon.